na. And yes, may da kita bisita. Yan ang nga pulog. And by the way guys, sa ating ngayon ako yung nahabungtuhan, Kalbayog. Alright, so ipapakilalanin natin ang aton bisita yan na. Hinubot din rin makakakilala ha aton bisita. Okay, sabay-sabay kita. Ipakilala natin in 3, 2, 1. Hello everything! Yan, palagpagan.
Wonderful here to be here, ladies and gentlemen. It's a very wonderful day.
Yes, wonderful tonight. So, ayan mga abangers, may ada kita mga questions liwat nga tikang haiyo. And una naton nga question, Miss Everything, may dangayan usang abanger nga nagpakiana. Paano ka na-discover?
Well, I am discover myself to be to deliver myself to people, to everything in the world. A very satisfying or satisfactional way by that discovery. Yes, discovery for me, and it's very awareness to discover myself. Yeah, I get everything have a talent, right? So I realized myself I have everything talent for me because everything is possible just to be okay. Thank you so much.
Alright! What a wonderful answer! Okay, so by the way, Miss Everything, ano an imo real or ano nimo tuod nga ngaran?
Actually, my name is in the day in the day I have a name of Jerry F. Camata, like Jerry. But in evening I have Erica Mariboho Camata. Yeah.
Yan. So, yes, you can follow Erica
Yes.
Kamata on Facebook. Pwede ka mag-plug, hindi mo mga pages.
I have my official Facebook account. I have there Erica Mariboho Camata / folklore, and I have YouTube channel, Miss Everything Vlogs, and Twitter, Miss Everything Tracy, and my Instagram. I also make another one because my Instagram had hacked. So, yeah.
So, yes, maghihimuhiyahin bago nga Instagram account. Okay. So, yan na. Ipapakita ni Miss Everything haaton kung paano hiya na-discover sa social media. So, okay la ba, Miss Everything?
Yes,
I-share
it's okay not to be okay.
Alright, so ready na ba ka mga bangers? Okay, so himapakitahin sample, Miss Everything.
Yeah. So first, I would like to emphasize the saying of I discovered by manual TikTok, in English, low budget DIY TikTok. So I am going to first the viral one, like ang ngaw nga, ngaw nga. So I read. Okay. So I have there. Wama itching chagana, itching ngao 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 ngao. Wada ching chang pong po chow, eating ngao 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 ngao. Yes, that is the one, which is a views of 3.7 million.
Wow, amazing. So, mga diri pa naka-subscribe and naka-like page ni Miss Everything, don't hesitate. Please like and subscribe now. Okay, so, may dapat ba kita mga request for aton mga abangers? Okay.
Very well said to me.
Very well said.
Yes.
Okay, sample, go. Oh.
I can sing,
Mhm.
I can dance, I can reach the heaven of I can love, I can sing, and there's a rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you in everything. Very well said to me.
Okay, so last na la, Miss Everything, and ano na lat aton imo mensahe para world.
Well, I can say to the to world and everything. I would like to say keep safe and make the COVID seriously and keep fighting because we will believe that there is a hope and everything will be fine. So I'm very, very awareness and also to the frontliners like you and everything like yeah, wonderful. So I can say thank you so much for not giving up, for supporting details to the people here in our world synthesis. Yes, I can say to them thank you so much, and that is so very accommodating to the world that we face today. Thank you so much, everything.
Alright. So, by the way, last na lang po, mensahe na lang para haan mo rin, party list.
Yeah. Well, I can say thank you so much for supporting details. That is a kind of very wonderful, adorable, accommodating for the world because that is a very, very wonderful, adorable, gorgeous, and most functional quarterless that I've never been before. So I'm ready to say I salute you everything. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yes,
Miss Adele.
yes.
Magkita
I
pa
can
unta
feel it.
kita?
Yes, super.
Yes,
We will
alright.
see. We will see. Yes, well.
Okay, so bye for now.
Yes, bye everything.
Bye.
Hi everything! How are you to find out? Well, today I'm very excited to say thank you so much, Kong Ben, father of Anware Parteles. It's so very accommodating to you to be as soon as possible in the people here. So I'm very, very wonderful, adorable, gorgeous, and most functional way to say thank you. A big thankful for you because you supporting details of the people here in many ways. So I can be one of your saying thankful for your kind consideration. It's very came to your heart and came to our heart, our lovable heart. So thank you so much, Kong Ben. Very wonderful to the father of Anware Parteles. I love you so much. Take care and God bless you always as soon as possible in the most functional disaster in the world that we face today. So,